Greetings everybody, my name is Kirill Kunitsyn. I'm 17 years old and this year I'll be in the final year of high school in the city of Nuremberg. I'm interested in science, electrical engineering and programming. I am at the top of my class. I have won many Olympiads in math and physics, and I also take part in many science fairs. My research projects won many awards in Russia. I was also invited and took part in the Taiwan International Science Fair, International Youth Forum in Singapore, Asian Science Camp 2019 in Shantou, and Italian National Science Fair. In the future, I would like to work and learn in the field of applied science that combines electrical engineering and programming. I believe in collaboration and I am a good team player. Thank you for your attention.
The daily and monthly dynamics of the weather conditions citywide at different altitudes and spatial distribution using a self-made network of digital weather stations. As a microcontroller for a digital weather station, I choose the Arduino Uno microcontroller, which is optimally suited for such engineering project. I made a protective PLA plastic case for Arduino board using 3D printing technology. PLA plastic is quite durable, cracks when it is cracked, but doesn't crumble into fragments. It's lighter than steel, aluminium and many other materials. It's not subject to corrosion, which allows placing the digital weather stations in the open air. Such materials as plywood, aluminium, PVC, plastic with a thickness of 3 mm were considered as analogous. Each digital weather station contains the Ethernet shield and BME280 sensor connected to an Arduino board. I wrote a code for Arduino to collect data and send it to a server. I also created a website that allows everyone to see live weather conditions in real time. I used the API of Yandex Maps, the Russian web mapping service developed by the Yandex IT Service Corporation for the convenience of the information display. The digital weather station's network data was collected in Nuremberg City. Data sets differed depending on the location of a weather station and the terrain features of an area. Temperature data differed substantially within the same town. I also compared the average temperature data from my weather station's network with official data and found significant differences over time. As a result, a network of digital weather stations was developed and created on the Arduino Uno microcontroller, which allowed collecting and processing the weather data in real time. In the future, I want to set up a high-density network to collect data to study temperature topology and temperature inversions. I plan to disseminate my project to as many schools as possible to develop a republic-wide live weather monitoring project using a large number of digital weather stations networks, which will facilitate the global climate change study.